Hello friends, today we will cover 10.7 polyhalogen compounds. Let us start reading of polyhalogen compound. Carbon compounds containing more than one halogen atoms are usually referred to as polyhalogen compound. If our organic compound contain more than one halogen, then it is called polyhalogen compound. Many of these compounds are useful in industry and agriculture. Some polyhalogen compounds are described in this section. So today we will discuss our first point, dichloromethane or methylene chloride. What is the formula of methylene chloride? The formula of methylene chloride is CH2Cl2. The formula of methylene chloride is CH2Cl2. So let us start. It's only a explanation topic. Dichloromethane is widely used as a solvent, as a paint remover, and as a propellant in aerosols, and as a process solvent in the manufacture of drugs. So this is the first use of dichloromethane. Dichloromethane is widely used as a solvent, as a paint remover. अगर कहीं पर किसी सरफेस के ऊपर पेंट किया है and if you want to remove it, then it is used as a propellant in aerosols. एरोसॉल्स में उसका इस्तेमाल किया जाता है एज अ प्रोपिलेंट एंड एज अ प्रोसेस सॉल्वेंट इन द मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ ड्रग्स. तो ड्रग्स के अंदर इट इज यूज्ड एज अ प्रोसेस सॉल्वेंट. इट इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड एज अ मेटल क्लीनिंग एंड फिनिशिंग सॉल्वेंट. अगर आप किसी मेटल सरफेस को क्लीन करना चाहते हो या उसको फिनिशिंग करना चाहते हो, then it is used as a. Methylene chloride harms the human central nervous system. वो हमारी नर्वस सिस्टम को भी डैमेज कर सकते हैं. मिथिलीन क्लोराइड harms the human central nervous system. Exposure to lower levels of methylene chloride in air can lead to slightly impaired hearing and vision. अगर कहीं पर आपका एक्सपोजर हो गया टू मिथिलीन क्लोराइड पर्टिकुलरली इन इंडस्ट्री, तो आपको सुनने में और देखने में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. हायर लेवल्स ऑफ मिथिलीन क्लोराइड इन एयर causes डेजीनेस. ડેઝીનેસ મીન્સ ગુજરાતીમાં આપણે કહીએ છીએ ઉલટી થવી, સોરી, ડેઝીનેસ એન્ડ નોશિયા, tingling and numbness in the fingers and toes. હાથમાં ખાલી ચડી જવી યા ઝંઝનાટી થવી. નોક્સિયાનો મતલબ છે ઉલટી થવી. ડાયરેક્ટ સ્કિન કોન્ટેક્ટ વિથ મિથિલીન ક્લોરાઇડ causes intense burning and mild redness of skin. Direct contact with the eyes can cause cornea. दैट मीन्स डाइक्लोरोमिथिलीन हमारी आंखों को भी नुकसान दे सकते हैं, या हम ऐसा कह सकते हैं कि स्किन के ऊपर थोड़ी थोड़ी रेडनेस, हमारी स्किन थोड़ी रेड हो जाती है, स्लाइट रेड. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट मिथिलीन. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट मिथिलीन क्लोराइड. तो let us see what are the advantage and disadvantage of methylene chloride. I repeat, higher level of methylene chloride in air causes dizziness. Dizziness का मतलब चक्कर आवा, nausea मतलब उल्टी थवी, tingling and numbness in fingers and toes, झंझनाहट આમ રહેવું ખાલી ચડી જેવી ગુજરાતીમાં, burning and mild redness in the skin, burning sensation you feel in the skin and slight reddish. Direct contact with the eyes can burn the cornea. It damage our eyes also. What are the advantage? It is used as a paint remover, as a propellant in a solvent, process solvent in the manufacture of drugs, metal cleaning and finishing solvent. But damage our central nervous system. Exposure to lower level of methylene chloride in air can lead to slightly impaired hearing and vision. So thank you students. This is all about methylene chloride. Hello students. Today we will cover 10.7.2 trichloromethane, that is chloroform. What is the formula of chloroform? Formula of chloroform: CHCl3, it carry 3 hydrogen and therefore it is covered in polyhalogen compound. So let us start our first topic, chloroform. You all know the basic uses of chloroform is as anesthetic agent during operation. ऑपरेशन थिएटर्स में ये यूज होता है. केमिकली chloroform is employed as a solvent for fats, alkaloids, iodine and other substance. तो पहले तो ये एज अ सॉल्वेंट टू डिजॉल्व फैट, alkaloids, iodine and other substance it is used. The major use of chloroform today is in the preparation of the freon reagent R22. Chlorofluorocarbons are known as a freon refrigerant, one chemical that we are using in industry, R22. Basically chloroform is used specially for this purpose. I repeat, chloroform is employed as a solvent for fats, alkaloids, iodine and other substance. The major use of chloroform today is in the production of the freon refrigerant R22. It was once used as a general anesthetic in surgery. पहले इसका इस्तेमाल किया जाता था एज अ जनरल एनेस्थेटिक एजेंट. It was once used as a general anesthetic in surgery but has been replaced by less toxic and anesthetic, less toxic, safer anesthetic such as ether. So sometimes right now we are using ether. It depends upon type of operation. as might be expected from its use as an anesthetic. Inhaling chloroform vapors depresses the central nervous system. वो हमारे सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम को डाउन कर सकते हैं. Breathing about 900 parts of chloroform per millions parts of air, that is 900 ppm, for a short time can cause dizziness. अगर आपका एक्सपोजर हो गया टू क्लोरोफॉर्म ऑफ 900 ppm, डेजीनेस मतलब उल्टी आवी, फटीग एंड हेडेक, आपको हेडेक भी हो सकता है. क्रॉनिक क्लोरोफॉर्म एक्सपोजर मे कॉज डैमेज टू लीवर. वो हमारे लीवर को भी डैमेज कर सकते हैं. Chronic chloroform exposure may causes damage to the liver, where chloroform is metabolized to phosgene, and to kidney, and some people develop sores when the skin is immersed in chloroform. Chloroform is slowly oxidized by air in the presence of light to an extremely poisonous gases, carbonyl chloride, also known as phosgene. It is therefore stored in closed dark colored bottles completely filled so that air is kept out. So simple meaning, when chloroform undergo exposure to light, it form phosgene. What is the formula of phosgene? COCl2, and very poisonous for human. So to avoid this difficulty, chloroform treated with alcohol. When chloroform is treated with alcohol and chloroform get exposed to air, it form phosgene. So added alcohol may react with phosgene and it convert to diethyl carbonate. So by this way we can avoid the harmful effect of phosgene. That means in daily life we can use chloroform. Thank you, students. Hello students, today topic is 10.7.3 triiodomethane, and formula of triiodomethane is CHI3. It contains 3 iodine. So yes, it is a polyhalogen compound. So let's see about triiodomethane. It was used earlier as an antiseptic. पहले वो यूज किया जाता था as an antiseptic. It was used earlier as an antiseptic, but the antiseptic properties are due to the liberation of free iodine and not due to iodoform itself. Iodoform, its formula is CHI3 and it is used as antiseptic, but from iodoform iodine get liberated and free iodine is used as an antiseptic. Due to its objectionable smell, it has been replaced by other formulation containing iodine. So nowadays it is not used because other combinations of iodine is used because its smell is bad. So right now it is not used. Okay, So this is all about, friends, 10.7.3 triiodomethane iodoform. Thank you. Hello students. Today topic is 10.7.4 tetrachloromethane. You know what is the formula of tetrachloromethane? The formula of tetrachloromethane is CCl4. It carry 4 hydrogen, so it is covered under topic of polyhalogen compound. So let us start our new topic, tetrachloromethane. It is produced in large quantity for use in the manufacture of refrigerants and propellants for aerosol can. So carbon tetrachloride, it's a only chlorocarbon, binary compounds of carbon and chlorine. Basically it is used in refrigerants and as a propellants for aerosol can. It is also used as feedstock in the synthesis of chlorofluorocarbon and other chemicals. अगर आपको क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन बनाना है लाइक फ्रियॉन्स, तो वहां पर भी कार्बन टेट्राक्लोराइड का इस्तेमाल हो सकता है. फार्मास्यूटिकल्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड जनरल सॉल्वेंट यूज. Until mid-1960, it was also widely used as cleaning fluid. पहले उसका इस्तेमाल एज अ क्लीनिंग फ्लूइड भी होता था, बोथ इन इंडस्ट्री एज अ डीग्रेसिंग एजेंट एंड इन होम एज अ स्पॉट रिमूवर एंड फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर. इसका इस्तेमाल फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर है एंड समटाइम्स इट इज नोन एज. There is some evidence that exposure to carbon tetrachloride causes liver cancer in human. अगर ह्यूमन का एक्सपोजर हो गया तो there are the chances of liver cancer, तो definitely it's harmful to human. The most common effect are dizziness, light headedness, nausea and vomiting, which can cause permanent damage to nerve cell. In severe cases, this effect can lead rapidly to stupor, coma, unconsciousness or death. Exposure to CCl4. Exposure to CCl4 can make heart beats irregularly or stop. The chemicals may irritate the eyes on contact. When carbon tetrachloride is released into the air, it rises to the atmosphere and deplete ozone layer. ओजोन लेयर को भी ये खराब कर सकता है. डिप्लेशन ऑफ द ओजोन लेयर is believed to increase human exposure to ultraviolet rays, leading to increased skin cancer, eye disease and disorder. and possible disruption of the immune system. So this is all about introduction of polyhalogen compounds. So just read it, go through it, students. Okay, thank you. Hello students, this is 10.7.5 and topic is Freon. Let us start. Information about Freon. The chlorofluorocarbon compounds of methane and ethane are collectively known as Freon. Freon is a general name. It contains total 3 elements: carbon, chlorine and fluorine. The chlorofluorocarbon compounds of methane and ethane are collectively known as Freon. They are extremely stable, unreactive, non-toxic, non-corrosive and easily liquefiable gases. Freon 1,2, that is CCl2F2, is one of the most common freon in industrial use. It is manufactured from tetrachloromethane by Schwarz reaction. These are usually produced for aerosol propellants, refrigeration and air conditioning purpose. By 1974, total freon production in the world was about 2 billion pounds annually. Most freon, even that used in refrigeration, eventually makes its way into the atmosphere, where it diffuses unchanged into the stratosphere. In stratosphere, freon is able to initiate radical chain reaction that can upset the natural ozone balance. So dear students, already we learned this topic in 11th standard, depression of ozone layer. With the use of chlorofluorocarbon in industry, we are damaging our ozone layer. So more detail of this topic you will get it from 11th standard, chapter number 10, air pollution, ozone depletion. So just you have to simply remember freon. They are chlorofluorocarbon and basically they are very harmful to ozone layer. Thank you. Hello students, this is 10.7.6 parades dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. This is about DDT, preparation, properties and uses. So let us start. DDT, the first chlorinated organic insecticide. ये पहला क्लोरीनेटेड ऑर्गेनिक इंसेक्टिसाइड है. Who discovered this? You know the name of this name of the scientist, Paul Muller. Paul Muller was awarded the Nobel Prize in medicine, basically for the discovery of DDT. The use of DDT increased enormously on a worldwide basis after World War II. We all know from 11th standard that DDT, a solid white powder that corporations sometimes spreading on road, it's a non-biodegradable, non-degradable insecticide. Primarily because of its effectiveness against the mosquito that spread malaria and lice that carry typhus. However, problem related to extensive use of DDT begins to appear in the late 1940s. Many species of insect develop resistance to DDT, and it was discovered to have high toxicity compounded the problem. DDT is not metabolized very rapidly by animals. Instead, it is deposited and stored in the fatty tissue. If injection continue at a steady rate, DDT builds up within the animal over time. The use of DDT was banned in United States in 1973, although it is still in use in some other parts of the world. So dear students, how we will prepare DDT? So we have chloral. This is the formula of chloral. Actually, you have to think about acetaldehyde. So this is the correct structure of acetaldehyde. If 3 hydrogen of acetaldehyde is replaced by chlorine, we get chloral. When chloral is treated with 2 times chlorobenzene in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, we get the structure DDT. I had written this structure in a different way, horizontally. So 2 benzene ring, and here there are 2 carbon. Benzene ring, carbon is attached on this carbon to benzene ring. So neighboring is ortho, meta and para. Therefore it is called para. Another benzene ring, ortho dash, meta dash, para dash. So name become para, para dash, dichloro, diphenyl, trichloro. 2 carbons stand for ethane. So this is all about DDT. Para, para dash, dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. The brief view I am telling about DDT is a white solid substance that we had seen. It is useful as household insecticide. Sometimes it gives pungent smell of chlorine and I get irritated. There is a possibility of cancer if it enters the body via animal. So some country banned this. Clear cut here written. Injection continue at a steady rate. DDT builds up within the animal over time. So simple concept general introduction of DDT. Thank you.